A closet system is basically a specially designed unit where you get places to hang your coats and sweaters, stack your shirts, t-shirts, and trousers in an organized manner. Seems interesting, right? To help you with the buying process, we have reviewed 5 best closet systems consumer report, and you will be able to zero in on the most suitable product. Number 5. Easy Shelf Walk-in Closet Kit Hanging and Shelf Space. The unit features 5 rods, closet shelves along with 4-end bracket. The product can be used for U or L-shaped closet or a double hanging one. You can install it in the basement, mudroom, laundry room, walk-in closet, office or garage. You can combine 2 or more Easy Shelf products to obtain longer shelves along with custom closet designs. Number 4. Prince Hanger Deluxe Pants and Shelf Hanger. This doesn't need any tool for installation. The poles are fixed between the ceiling and floor using the pressure from springs that are placed in the interior of the unit. The width of the unit is around 8 feet and the height is 5 feet, which you can adjust as well. The unit works as a freestanding unit, so in case you don't have a closet, don't worry, you can use this product as it is. Number 3. ClosetMaid Shelf Track Adjustable Closet Organizer Kit. The unit features all the necessary tools and accessories to make installation a breeze, such as closet rods, brackets, wire shelving, support rod, and other hardware. The closet organizer consists of 132 inches of hanging space along with 216 inches of shelf space. Number 2. Amazon Basics Expandable Metal Hanging Storage Organizer Rack Wardrobe with Shelves. Expandable closet organizer with 2 adjustable width hanging rods that can be moved up, down in 1-inch increments. 10 adjustable height shelves, 5 on either side. Each shelf holds 100 pounds and can be raised, lowered in 1-inch increments. Made of durable steel wire and plastic slip sleeves, sleek bronze finish. Number 1. Rubbermaid Configurations Deluxe Custom Closet Organizer System Kit. This fits any walk-in or reach-in closet with at least one wall 8 feet wide. The telescoping rods and expanding shelves adjust to add 22 feet of shelving space and 12 feet of hanging space. This closet kit includes 7 shelves, 2 inches shelves, 2 top rails, 19 brackets, 5 uprights, 2 upright extensions, and 2 hang rod.